I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and tonight I'm making sausage and saffron rice stuffed peppers. And I'm doing it in my cast iron because I like to make just about everything in my cast iron these days if I can. It's really pretty quick, pretty easy, and I'll show you how we put it together. And this probably would qualify for weeknight wonders because it's quick to put together, throw it in the oven, you're done. Ground sausage here, and this is a seasoned maple, it's a sweet maple sausage, seasoned sausage. And I have some saffron rice, about a cup of that, a couple cups of cheese, some Italian seasoning. My peppers, I do this a little different. You know, most people just stuff the whole pepper, and it's a kind of a pain in the rear and all that jazz. And we don't eat a whole pepper, most of the time we don't eat a whole pepper at the time anyway. So I like cutting them in half because this is more of a serving size. And I'll just put a little, on the uneven ones, I'll put a little, you know, just cut off the point or whatever so it sits more flat. And then they're easy to fill and just pop in the oven. And my sauce. I've got my spaghetti sauce here, tomato sauce. So all I'm going to do is add, this is probably about 2 pounds of sausage. I'm going to add a cup of saffron rice. I want to add some pepper. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. And just get in there and work it all up together. Make sure it all gets incorporated in. And I know, like, just 1 cup of rice probably doesn't seem like much, but you know what? A little bit goes a long way. And the fat in this, the nice thing is the fat in the sausage gives you a lot of moisture for this to cook. Some people use minute rice, that's fine. Some people don't use rice at all and just use beef, and that's fine too. You know, it's whatever tastes good to you. A million ways to make this, but I like the sausage with it this way, and saffron rice. Saffron rice is like my favorite rice. It's just got so much flavor, and it's a nice complement to the sausage. And then with the other seasonings and flavor, it just makes it really simple. And it's all mixed in, and that's it. So now it's just a matter of stuffing our peppers. Make sure she's in all the nooks and crannies. Like that. This is so easy. That's why I said, you know, it's just a couple of minutes of prep time, and you've got a family dinner. And they're great heated back up too later. This. And don't overfill them either. You're just then you have more meat and you lose the pepper flavor. And, you know, that's half the reason you're doing this. So that did 3½ peppers, about right. So there, we can see what it looks like. Get this out of my road. Now I've got some of my sauce, and you know, you can use whatever spaghetti sauce you have. Some people just do crushed tomatoes, and it's fine too. Whatever you like, but I like this because it has more flavor. And I'm just going to put a quart in. This. cheese. And this is actually a Colby and Monterey Jack mix. So that's it. And I'm gonna pop her in the oven. And she's done, and they're out of the oven. You know what comes next? Okay, taste test time. This is still hot. It smells so good. That is delicious with the jasmine rice and the sauce and the pork sausage. Make sure you get some of the sauce. Definitely moreish. So that's my easy saffron and sausage stuffed peppers. You can see it went together really easy. You just pop it in the oven and you have dinner. My dad always liked this with mashed potatoes. Sometimes I serve it that way, but you know, with the rice and stuff, it's kind of like a complete dinner all by itself. So there's another weeknight wonder for you: stuffed peppers. Subscribe and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.